Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to talk about accounting and bookkeeping for law firms. We'll cover these few topics in this video. We'll start with client trust accounts, expenses and income tracking, time and billing, account receivable, general ledger maintenance, compliance and reporting, software and technology. So let's start with client trust accountings. In this, lawyer often holds a client's funds in trust accounts. It is essential to ensure that these accounts are accurately recorded and reconciled, and you must involve tracking of clients' deposits and their disbursements and any other interest that are earned separately from each client. Expenses and income tracking. In this, a lawyer have various expenses related to their practices, like they are having their offices, they are renting offices, or they are owning some offices. They will have some utilities, legal research materials, marketing costs, and their professional dues. And in this, you have to make sure that this all are recorded properly and categorize the expenses as per their categories, and you need to accurately do it, and also as they can be deductible for tax purposes. In lawyer, that may general income from other sources, like if they're having some consultancies or if they're having commissions from any third parties. You have to ensure that all these sources of income are accurately recorded and categorized. Time and billing. In a lawyer's professional, they bill clients based on the time they have spent on their cases. You have to properly track and bill all these things for accurate invoicing and revenue recognitions. This may involve the recording of the time spent on each case or assigning in the appropriate billing rates, and you must generate the invoices based on the agreed terms. Accounts receivable. In accounts receivable, you have to monitor the outstanding invoices and follow-ups of any unpaid balances or any pending accounts. You must maintain a system to track all these payments, and you need to send reminders if needed. And also you need to reconcile this accounts receivable regularly for better insights. General ledger maintenance. In this, you have to maintain and well organize the general ledger to capture all the financial transactions, including your income, your expenses, some assets that you are having, liabilities, and if you are having some equity in some of the things. And also you need to reconcile this general ledger regularly with your bank statements and other supporting documents to have a clarity of vision of your business. Compliance and reporting. In compliance and reporting, lawyers are subjected to specific regulatory requirements. If you are in a lawyer business, there are some specific regulatories that you have to follow, such as trust accounting rules and taxes obligations. You need to stay up to date on this all legal and accounting regulations if applicable to your business, and make sure that you are compliant in financial reporting and tax filings. So every lawyer has a business, or it may do a freelancing, or it may have an office or a company of legal services. So you can use some softwares or technologies for your streamlined process. So you can utilize some accounting software that are specially designed for law firms for your streamlined bookkeeping process or accounting process. This may help you to automate your task, to track your billable hours, to generate your invoices, and provide you reports for your financial analysis of your business. Some of the software that we may suggest that are Celu, Abacus Data, Bill for Time, CC Hyform. So every industry has some key performance indicators that shows how industry been growing, or that can track the industry success. So here are some key performance indicators that are used to measure lawyer industry's success. First is billable hours. This indicator measures the total number of hours that are spent for your case on the work of a client, that will be counted in billable hours. Realization rate. This indicator measures the percentage of your billable hours actually that are billed and collected from the clients. It reflects your firm's ability to convert billable hours into a revenue, and this will indicate the effectiveness of your pricing strategies and your client billing practices, and also your collection process. Utilization rate. This indicator measures the percentage of available work hours that the lawyers and staff dedicated to the work for the client, and it helps to assess how effectively your resources are utilized, and it will help you to identify the potential capacity of any issues, or if there are any errors or inefficiencies. Average matter profitability. This indicator considered the total revenue that is generated from a matter minus the associated cost that happened, such as direct expenses, overhead expenses, and allocated resource. It helps you to evaluate the profitability on different cases, and it will help you to assist in making informed decision in future on your selection of the cases, which case you have to take or which have you need to leave. Client retention rate indicator. This indicator shows the satisfaction of your client, or how loyal your client is. It may also reduces the need for your costly marketing and business development efforts to acquire new clients. Return on investment indicator. This indicator measures the effectiveness of marketing and business development activities that will lead you to generate new clients and revenues. Fourth is collection ratio indicator. This indicator measures the percentage of outstanding invoices that are collected within a specific time frame. It may reflect the firm's ability to manage the cash and the cash flow, and also this will indicate the effectiveness of the firm's collection process. Now, profit margin indicator. This indicator calculates the percentage of the revenue that retained as per the profit after deducting all the costs and expenses. It also provides an overall measure of the firm's financial performance and the profitability it may have. Employee satisfaction and retention rate. This indicator measures how employees are satisfied with your service and how you retaining them. Retention is important in the legal industry. If you are having a high employee satisfaction and can lead you to better client services or a higher productivity, and that can help you to lower your turnover rates, and also ultimately that will impact your firm's financial success. So that was all for the bookkeeping and accounting services for lawyers industry. Thank you and have a nice day.